everyone, it's Michelle with the digital team at 143 Vinyl, and in this week's Digital Minute, we are going to talk about fonts and how you can use them in our layout designer. So I'm going to go into UVDTF decals because I want some stickers with my name on it, and I need some stickers for the bins that I store all my UVDTF decals in. Say that 10 times fast. So I know that I'm going to want these probably about 4 inches long because I've already measured. So we're going to go to the library and we're going to click right here where it says fonts. Now, I'm not really sure what I'm looking for. I think, let's see. I think I'm going to go with Satisfy. And I'm going to add that font to the canvas by clicking that button. I'm going to click my X here. And then I am going to get my pencil and I'm going to edit. And you should be able to see, well, not when I do that. Right here, there's a blinking cursor. And you can just hit your backspace. And I'm going to put 2-inch to 4-inch UV DTF decals. And I want that to be purple. But I do want it to be a little bigger. So we're going to put that right there. But then I need something else. We're going to add this to the canvas again. And I need hit my backspace, put my name in here. I need this one to stretch as much as it can in this 4-inch square. Okay, and I want to put the rainbow pattern on my name. And I'm going to scale the pattern because I like it to be bigger. I like all the colors just like that. Okay, and I also, because I'm super fond of this, I'm going to take a black stroke and I'm going to put it back there. So I've got that. But say I also need a couple more, and maybe I want one that's in a different, maybe I want one that's slightly thicker. Let's go. We're going to go with Shagadelic. Let's go with this one. And we're going to add it to the canvas. And I'm going to edit it again, backspace it, and I'm going to put 5-inch plus UVDTF decals. Make it a little bit bigger, not that big, because I need it to be a little smaller. And the color, I want the color to be the same color as this purple. So I'm going to grab that dark purple. And while I'm at it, let's go ahead and get Caveat brush. And I'm going to make this one a little bigger. Let's try this again. I'm going to do Toddler DTF. Okay, and the color, I want that same purple color, so I'm going to go up here and grab that purple color, and there we go. See, you can do all different kinds of fonts. You can put a stroke on them. You can put a pattern on them. For example, if I want this to have a white stroke on it, then I can take that, I can do this, and then I can put a white stroke on that. You can go right into the library, right into fonts. We have tons of fonts and we are working on adding a ton more. There's all kinds of fonts in here for you to use and be creative with. And you can color them, you can put a stroke on them, you can add a pattern. You can also go into patterns and you can, let's see, I want a glitter pattern. and I want magenta. And I'm going to add to the pattern selection. So now I can go here, and when I go to pattern, it's going to pop that magenta up there, and I'm to do that, and boom, now it's glittery looking. You can do that here as well. You can go back and say I want the blue glitter. Let's go with blue. And I'm going to take my name and I'm going to redo the pattern on my name to be blue glitter. And then because the stroke does not look great, I'm going to change that stroke to white. And there you go. You can do all different kinds of things with the fonts in our library. You can change the color, you can add a stroke, you can add a pattern, whatever you want to do. And when you're using text and fonts and our patterns and everything in our layout designer, you don't have to go through the inspection process because this is already quality. If you ever have questions, you know where to find us.